This is the first assignment. This is first assignment on the isomer. Some problem I will solve, some you have to solve. If you are not able to solve it, you can contact our team, and in that process we will you will get the answer. So first we have to start with the problem number 1. They are telling how many structural isomers does C4H8 have. It means first we have to find out C4H8. It's a alkane, alkene or alkyne. So as formula suggests, it's a alkene. By formula it's a alkene. So we have to find the different isomers. First one is simple, very simple. This one is the first isomer. The name is but1ene, but1ene. Second isomer is C single bond C, single bond C. Just place this double bond at a different place. So first and second is the positional isomer to each other. First and second is the positional isomer to each other. Third one is, now we cannot shift this positional isomer. We cannot shift it further because if it comes here once again it will be 1-butene. Now third one, we cannot go for the positional isomer, so we have to change the nature of the carbon chain, and it can be done by this. The name is 2-methyl propene. So this is 3. These are the 3 isomers. First 2 is the positional isomer. 1 and 2 is positional isomer. Third one is chain isomer. Now I can go for cyclic isomers, whether it can form a cyclic isomer or not. So this one is 4th isomer. This one is the 4th isomer, cyclobutane. The 4th isomer is cyclobutane. Now any other possibilities are there, or this is the final answer? I am telling you, the answer is 5. But how many problem I have wrote, how many structure I have written on the board? It's a 4 only. So which one can be the 5th option? You try to find out which one can be the 5th option. Can you find it out? The 5th one is this one is the 5th isomer. This one is the 5th isomer. Count how many carbon is there? 4 carbon. This contains 2 hydrogen. This contains 2 hydrogen. So it is C4H 2, 2, 3 and 1 here. So this is the second chain cyclic isomer. This is also a cyclic isomer, and name is methyl cyclopropane. So this is the solution of problem number 1. So problem number 2 you solve, problem number 3 I will solve, problem number 4 I will solve, problem number 4 you solve, problem number 5 I will solve. Then I will try, then I will think, then if it is needed I will solve, otherwise it will be assignment for you and you have to solve it. So first I have solved, second you have to solve, and I will provide you a certain hint that how it can be solved. In case of second problem, what they are telling, I am telling you the answer. What is the answer? And I will tell you some hint also. This is dibromophenol. This is dibromophenol. So we can put one bromine here and let it be here. 2 bromine is there. This one is position number 1. This is 2, 3. In the next isomer we can put it here. In the next isomer we can change it here. In the next isomer we can change it here. For example, it is 2, 3, then 3, 4, 4, 5. You write it, you will find that so many isomers are there. But if you write, when you will write the name, you will find that structurally it may appear as that it's a different isomer, but basically it's not a different isomer. Both are having the same IUPAC name. So you write like this, and answer is C. 6 isomer you will get. What you have to do? You cannot change the position of OH. OH is the reference element in this case. It is having the highest priority. So numbering will start from this only, and you change it by changing this number of BR. You change the position of the BR, and you make the product. What are the possible products here? How many different structural isomers for a molecule having C7H16 are possible with the 5 member parent chain? It means we need to keep 5 carbon in a chain, and remaining carbon we have to provide it at the different place. Other than the remaining 2 carbon will act as a substituent. They are not the part of main parent chain. Whether this compound is a single bond or double bond, check the formula. Formula is CnH2n plus 2. So it's a alkane. Means we cannot make the cyclic compound of this. Since it's a alkane, so we cannot make the cyclic compound of this part. So the first options are, the first isomer is this one, 2 carbon. What is the name of this compound? The name of this compound is, we write here 2,3-dimethyl pentane. This is the first isomer. Second isomer, you just change the position of this carbon. So it is C single bond, C single bond, C single bond, C, 1 carbon, 1 carbon. What is the name of this compound? The name of this compound is 2,4-dimethyl pentane. Now, in the next move, we can change it like this. So it's a 2,2-dimethyl, name will be 2,2-dimethyl pentane. 2,2-dimethyl pentane. In the next possibilities, we can shift this carbon to this side. So the possibilities will be CC. Then what is the name of this compound? It's a 3,3-dimethyl pentane. So how many possibilities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 possibilities, but answer is 5. So which one is the 5th isomer? You just try to find out which is the remaining possibility, which possibility is still existing there. You will find that what we have done, we have taken the methyl as a substituent. Can we take ethyl as a substituent? Can we take propyl as a substituent? Like that. We cannot confine ourselves from the thinking process. They have written 5 here. That's why we have been restricted to keep this chain. Otherwise, we could have put it here. We could have put it here. So because we have to solve we have to give the answer according to the problem. They are asking it should be 5, so okay 5 is there. But till now what we have done, we have taken methyl as a substituent. Now put the question from yourself, whether we can put ethyl as a substituent or propyl as a substituent. Let's find the answer. Answer may or may not be. Let's check it. We have to keep 5 carbon in a chain as per the question. So we kept the 5 carbon in a chain. Now we have finished all possibility of methyl. So just for the sake of hit and trial, we are going for the ethyl group. Suppose I put here C and C. Then what can be the name? Either this will be the longest chain or we can keep it like this. It can be the longest chain. But in both of the case, how many carbon is there? 5 in a chain. So the name will be 3-ethyl pentane. And this is the 5th isomer. Suppose we want to go for propyl as a substituent. We cannot go because IUPAC name doesn't permit to go for a shorter route and keeping the longer route as a substituent. So we cannot go by that. And now any other possibility doesn't exist in this case. If they remove the restriction to keep 5 carbon in here, then 3 or 4 more possibilities are there. But they have told to keep 5 carbon only. So limit is here only. Up to here only we can find the solution. So how many isomers are there? 5. I have written the name and I have written the structure of all those things. So again 3 or 4 question I will write. I will solve some question and I will keep some question pending for you. You solve it. If you are not able to solve, you make a call to our team and you will get the answer.